Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I have here with me something new, Insta360 GO3. This happens to be my birthday present from Mr. P. You want to pop your head in? This is a birthday present from Mr. P. It's so ugly. He bought this GO3 for me as my birthday present. I'm gonna unbox this and show you what's inside. I know there are a lot of videos out there on YouTube that shows you the unboxing, but I thought I'll just share a bit about why I decided to get the Insta360 GO3 instead of the GoPro, which I used to have. I used to have a GoPro Hero 10 and that died 2 months ago, right? I think it was about 2 months ago. It just stopped functioning. It was a motherboard issue, and to fix it, it will cost more than half the cost price of the camera. So I decided to just let it go and look around for a better model to replace the GoPro. There are many reasons why I decided not to go for the GoPro again. Number one, I researched a bit about the recent GoPro models, and although the functions and the technical specs are really good, I had a lot of issues with my GoPro Hero 10, which I did not talk about. Things like overheating. Sometimes the GoPro Hero 10 would just turn on or turn off while recording without any notice. We actually brought the GoPro to many adventures on land and in the water, up in the mountains as well. I'm not sure what caused the motherboard to die just like that. So I decided to try out a new brand. It's not sponsored, by the way. This was purchased using our own money. I'm gonna unbox this. There are a few items within the box which you can see. Part of the package. Wow. This is the GO3 camera. It's really tiny. Action camera that's the size of a thumb. Ooh! It's held together by a magnet. It says here, think big, which I guess it's for you to decide how you want to use action camera. When you open up the flap, you can see paperwork. There's the user guide. It says here accessories. There's a USB-C type charging cable, bunch of quick start guides, stickers, a warranty card. This is for GO3's waterproofing, things you need to know. They call this an easy clip. What this clip does, there's this clamps here. You can open it up, clip it to your cap. There you have it. So this thing turns, put your action camera in, it's on. So you can turn it to whichever angle you want. Moving on, there are also other accessories such as this stand, which you can attach to this pivot. Just screw it on like this. And there is also this necklace pendant. You can actually uncoil this and just wear it around your neck like that. What's in the box is also this all-new action port. This is where your action camera goes in. So this thing is to be aligned with this, which you can just back is a screen. You can just flip the screen up like so. This becomes a front-facing vlogging camera, which you can hold like this. To remove this camera module from the action port, you just have to press the button here on the side, pull it out. There are two clips here. All you have to do is to line them up. You can just place it on a surface. This is also a sticky pad. You remove this sticker, adhere it to any surface you want, rinse it, you can reuse it many times. But if you don't want this, you can remove the base and replace it with anything, a tripod that suits this. Yeah, I think that's all inside this box. I'm really excited to use the Insta360 GO3 camera to start vlogging. What you're seeing right now is from the Sony ZV-1 that I have and I use on quite a regular basis, especially when I'm vlogging at home. Because I lost my GoPro, I don't really have a functional small camera that I can bring around with me to just capture snippets of life on the go. The GO3 really suits the criteria of what I need, which was why I decided to get the GO3. You can just bring this camera around. All you need is this. I got the 128GB version. You can film however much that fills up the 128. I'm really excited to start using this. So what you're going to see in the rest of today's vlog, everything that I'm filming using the GO3. Oh, let's go! Hello, this is a test video. Everything looks pretty good. I'm going to take out the camera from the action port. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I'm going to put it back.
that shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see.
From this, you can tell that with good lighting conditions, the footages are really quite crisp and clear.
Make it out, baby, come through. I'ma keep it real.
Welcome to another Jelly vlog.
We are walking outside right now.
This is a test footage for Insta360 GO3.
There's not a lot of noise around us, so I think the audio should be picking up quite well. It's sunset, so you can see the light. It's not very dark. We are walking to dinner. We're just walking normally. Should we run?
No.
Then we can test. Okay, this is a jog. Oh, actually it looks quite okay still. Run. So uncle. And here you can tell that with the indoor setting, it's definitely not the best lighting condition, but I can easily edit post-production. For this next footage that you'll see, I did not turn on any low light stabilization. That's why you may find that the footage can be quite shaky, but for the low light conditions that it's at, I would say that the light sensor did pretty okay job. I get the same quality if I'm using a GoPro actually. Okay, so this is low light footage. Now it's 7:30 in the evening.
We're walking under shaded conditions.
Yeah, no street lamps. You're detecting. I don't think GoPro does the detection though. Can you stop singing?
What's wrong?
I'm trying to talk! Hello everyone, I've just gotten off work and I'm back home now. I'm gonna go for a jog before my dinner. I don't really feel like going for a jog, but it's been months since I had a proper workout, so I think I'll do a jog today. The inertia is real. I've sprayed myself with mosquito repellent and I'm gonna go out soon. I will bring the GO3 with me and we'll see what kind of footages I can capture later. See ya! For this next footage, stupid me, I went for a quick run downstairs and I did not turn on the low light stabilization. In fact, there was no stabilization at all. What you're gonna see is something that's gonna give you a headache. It gave me a headache while I was editing. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you a quick snippet of what it looks like. But the great thing about this is that when I brought it out for my runs, I did not carry the action pod with me. All I had was the action camera itself. Because I could use the Insta360 app on my phone and see a live preview of what I was filming. I'm done with my job. They're about 2.5 kilometers.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. Every word she'll say, she's got a way about her.
I'm back from running and I'm gonna make salad for dinner. Rockets. I love rockets. I was really quite hungry before I started running, but now that I'm done running, I don't actually feel very hungry. Not sure why. I won't be finishing the whole packet, so I'll eat the rest for lunch tomorrow. For some reason, this brand of rockets are really long. It's the length of my face. It makes eating the salad very difficult. So what I do is that I usually break it into smaller parts so that it's easier to pick it up and eat it. I tried to film some footages while I was running, but filming in public, especially when there's a lot of people around me, still is something I can't get used to. I feel very embarrassed. I guess it's something that I need to get over eventually. To complete my very simple salad, I'm gonna add some roasted sesame dressing, some raisins, my very simple dinner. And then I went for another jog because I will try to film another footage to show you how it will look like with stabilization. So what you see here is with stabilization turned on, so it's definitely not giving you that much of a headache. Turning on stabilization will increase the latency that you see on screen. For example, if you raise your hand up now, what you're going to see on the viewfinder is you raising up your hand maybe 1 or 2 seconds later. But that's okay because as long as the footage is stable, it's usable, that's great. In the indoor setting in the office, everything seems quite okay. At my desk, the fluorescent light did not cause me any problem, but once I switch over a seminar room with the same fluorescent light, I seem to have an issue with the flicker. So you can tell from this footage that the flicker was really an issue. Turned on the anti-flicker for that, but for some reason it's still flickering quite badly. I'm not sure why. This is also a problem I faced with the GoPro. I totally get it that it could be an action camera kind of setting that I can't change. Good morning guys. So I'm done setting up the room. As you can see behind me, we have a workshop today because I facilitate the workshop, so we had to set up to prepare for it. Generally we would have some sweets on the table, some pens, and also post-it notes because there'll be some activity later. And I'm going to give out these stickers for them to write their names on it and paste it on themselves. We also paste up the posters, as you can see, on the walls. And we have prepared the slides. Yeah, this is basically the setup. It's gonna be a crazy day today, and I'm a bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which my colleague helped to buy. Hello! I have brought my GO3 out.
It's his first hiking experience.
I adjusted the white balance to about 3004, so it looks better on screen. I'm not sure whether it will look better when I'm doing editing. This is standard stabilization.
But still have latency.
It's good, so they won't be jerky. Not later got people comment say it's too jerky and then don't want to watch, remember?
You sure got to put that on your YouTube.
I read every comment and I take that into account as feedback.
You should. Just in case got people say that our videos are shake, I mean, we were trying out different scenarios and settings.
This is ultra wide lens. This is the terrain. We are taking an easy walk today. Hey guys, I'm back. I've been using the GO3 camera as pretty much a vlogging camera. I really like how small and handy this whole setup is. I'm very happy with the footage. It seems to be quite decent when comparing to my GoPro Hero 10. The footage quality and resolution seems quite similar if you don't really go down to the detailed specs. So this is really just purely from a normal person, a layman person standpoint of view of how I use the GO3. But as of now, I can say that it's a pretty good replacement for my GoPro Hero 10, provided that I don't go diving in it. Obviously, I can still go snorkeling in it but not diving unless I get the dive case. So that's all I have for you in this vlog, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
You say that good things take time, and so they do, but if good things take time,